Alrighty guys, this week we are heading out to Avon Valley, heading close to the city. Me and the mate we head out do some four drive tracks. Christy is at netball today, so she'll come out and meet us later. But yeah, hang around and we shall record what we can. Alrighty guys, we've been on this track for about half an hour now, and we've run out of track, so it's going to be turning around, trying to get back through those tight squeezes again, and head back to the main road and see what else we can find. It's now 2 o'clock, so we've only found two, well, I don't even want to say decent. They're good for beginners, but yeah, they're just not what we're looking for today. So we're gonna head back to the highway now and head up around to the Julimar State Forest and see what we can find up there. I haven't been up there yet myself, neither has Crisco, but yeah, we'll get there, see what we can find, and I'll update you then. guys, it's Saturday night. We've set up camp, found some tracks over at Julimar. Gonna head back there tomorrow and finish doing them. But got Christy on the kitchen tonight. What are you cooking, babe?
On the kitchen tonight. I'm always on the kitchen.
Oh well, you know.
We are marinated pork.
Nice. And what do you got in Nastimity?
Nah.
No Nastimity.
5 fires.
Ah, right. The fire just started. I'm hoping she'll crank up. Wood's a bit wet, but Crisco's got his camp set up. What are you cooking, Crisco?
Got mint and honey lamb.
Oh, oh yeah.
It smells wicked.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I reckon it'll taste good too. Morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Sun's shining. It's cooking. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Christy making pancakes for breakfast again. Crisco is still passed out. I tell you what, you'd hear him from the other side of the city. He does not stop snoring. But yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast in, couple of cuppers, and head back to Julimar and finish those tracks off we found yesterday. We've just got back to the same point we were at when we had to call it a day and go back to camp and meet Christy. But yeah, just gonna keep going forward now and see where this takes us, and hopefully get some good ruts, a couple more mud holes. Piece of piss.
It was fun.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Avon Valley was a lot of fun. The tracks we found were okay, not difficult as such, but I'm sure there are some pretty epic tracks there where you don't have the time to find them. But out here at Julimar, bloody great tracks, mud holes, ruts. That was good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, next week might be more river. We'll see what we can come up with.